What color is that?
Put it in there.
I think there's more up here.
There's more up here.
She wants out in the yard.
Look up. Slow down and look. Oh my gosh.
That says Daddy.
Oh.
What color is that one?
Here, put it in your bucket.
Blue.
Okay, I think the rest, remember Grandma asked to help me down these steps. They're so big.
They're kind of big ones.
All right, let's go feed. Well, pick them up. Put them in your bucket. Oh, there's another one. Oh, wow.
They're everywhere.
Oh my gosh, that Easter bunny was awful busy.
Oh, my goodness.
She said that one opens.
Who knows what kind those are?
You bet she does.
Here.
A white one. He's kind of pink on the bottom.
Yeah, look it. More.
Whoops.
Oh, you walked by one.
Yeah.
Here, let's put this in here.
She knows which one's open.
Okay.
This awful big one down here. What color was that one?
There's some more. Go
You
hold
have
on.
to look.
Over here, Bailey.
Look over this way by me.
Look.
What color's that one?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, I see some more.
Oh, I do too, yeah.
Over here.
Yeah.
Over here one.
Wait, she sees. Where's Greg?
Grandma forgot where the Easter bunny put them all.
Oh, that one you can open.
Here, we're gonna save those. We're gonna put those in here too. And then I'll put them in the house.
Egg, egg,
Eggs.
egg, egg.
Eggs, eggs, eggs.
Eggs everywhere.
They- Oh, shoot.
You want Grandpa to hold that one?
Man, where did all these flies come from?
I don't know.
Jeez.
They're hatching, aren't they?
Another one for Grandma, huh?
Here we go. All right, there's more eggs. Goodness gracious, girl.